guys, welcome to another video of Food with Us. Today I will be making pancakes. The ingredients will be baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, milk, butter, sugar, 1 egg, and all-purpose flour. Alright guys, now we're going to start with 1/4 of a cup of butter and 1 large egg, and we're going to mix this in together. Alright guys, now that we're done mixing this in, okay guys, now we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I am going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and now we're gonna mix in our eggs and butter. Vanilla extract, that will be 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna add our 1 cup and 3/4 of milk. Now we're gonna mix this all in until it turns into a batter. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, now that you see that everything is all incorporated together, now we're gonna move to the stove. Alright guys, now we're at my stove. We are going to add a teaspoon of butter, and my heat is under medium. Oh man, this is gonna be awesome. Alright guys, once you start seeing bubbles, now you know for sure that it's ready to flip. Alright guys, as you can see, I already flipped it. This is what it's supposed to look like. Alright guys, we're back. This is the results of my homemade pancakes. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button. Thank you, and enjoy your pancakes. See you next time with another delicious recipe.